Onyana Pao. Good enough. Oh, Jinaka. Alpha. Like I bring something, no taxi. I'll be one. They know. No straight at all. Show for your face. Today no well. Today no good. It's bad. Today no peer. You know level. Why today go there well? When you never sell a book, you never even sell even if that one short. Go pay Tony where they borrow clothes from your house. Tony where they go in shop, they go borrow shirt. The one way borrow last now lost.
What are you talking about?
So this is where they do at this time now, borrow. Make me well. Bro pose. Bro make me big boy. Bro make me big man. I think say you don't blow. I go there suffer myself. I don't know if I better party. Make I tell you the truth.
I don't know what they talk.
If you know where you go hide now. You don't carry policemen. The fool hit why he lost. You want to come arrest all those your sisters. Since your papa will I say 19 I be 29 in born. All those your fatty bomb. I tell him say make you know carry he lost come. Make him use 419 I been at 911. Come because all this fatty bomb fit bust their tire. Make I tell you something. That guy don't arrange for you. If you know where you go hide now.
I don't know what they talk of. Only God in heaven knows how I take hustle, get my money. You might they see and say I they suffer, I they waka. Nothing will be say we go give money why I know they do.
Shut up! Hustler.
Yes, sir?
Hustler, where you go borrow shirt. That's why you go wear shirt. You go there straight like this, like say na this city. I say, where this boy there? I don't be a boy. I mean, I'm going to you. They say, your shirt go there. No man. Don't say, borrow, make me wear. Borrow. Today no fight. Today no way. You not go wear. Borrow. Oh, this never. Borrow. Before I go borrow my hands.
I'm not going to blame you. I need bath. Find place where I go. There one will perish. And you get God to insult me. Don't be your fault. Now my fault. If I don't come here and I carry to make a question. You call me for better party.
And you remember that one I told Loco I? You don't like it? No, eat. Don't know those ones, but I know this one for sure. Yes. That is the legend beer.
I don't like this.
You don't like it? But you're drinking it as if you like it.
I'm just trying to experiment it.
Okay, experimenting. Wow, that's nice. What kind of wine is already, Let's finish this one. I'll tell them to bring it. Oh, sorry, salvet. We call it tissue. Yes, tissue.
I want some burger.
Burger? I don't know the one that is called burger. Yes. But you eat this one. Do you eat snail? They also have snail with the soup.
What's this?
This is called meat.
I'm an idiot.
You eating it like you like it. You don't like it?
This is what you do.
Loco. Oh, really? Hey, Beke! Oh, sorry, Mama soup! I like this woman. Don't worry, they'll bring more for you, I know you like it. You like it.
forget about that. I beg, there's something I want to buy. You know where I feel get the counter metabolic aquatic.
Counter metabolic.
Aquatic.
I've not heard of such word before. I don't know it. What is that, sir?
Me too, I don't know.
Yeah.
The same way where you take ask now, and the same way me I dey ask, say what thing be this the counter metabolic aquatic. So you don't know where I feel get such like something
Okay.
like.
There's some stores down the road. Maybe you check there. There's some stores there. Because me, I don't know what is that too.
Oh yeah.
Come here.
Nah. Okay, wait.
Are you the only one at home? Yeah. Now the clothes I bring. The clothes I tell someone say.
Oh, aqua.
Just check them.
Onka.
This one na me and you. Na him be the
The otwa.
na new clothes oh. They never nya. Even the second one we be in Toreka. That one too na Hollandis. This one na Hollandis. Now the other one be English wax. Yes.
Okay, oh, you give 5,000.
Madam na wow. Kasura so no nyo. Na say Nigeria.
Ejimego.
No be saying
Ejimego.
Ejirego abroad.
If you don't want to leave it,
How can you price
5,000
three
is okay.
different Hollandis for 5,000?
Agwalam, there is no money.
I no steal am.
Ejimego. Have
Madam,
it,
no,
because-
I beg, bring 20,000. Now because of you.
20,000. Makagini kwanu. For this rapper. 20,000. Mbani. Neziohi. Where biko? Take, I don't want to buy.
I bring
Where
10,000.
no-
Bring 10,000.
10,000.
I just cut and short for you. because I'm-
Makagini.
Na new clothes. This clothes, the person where I buy this clothes self, and you never reach him.
You did sure.
If you check him, you go know. You don't not be clothes you dey sell. You go know new clothes and all the rest of
Oh
them.
yeah, wait now. Let me check what I can do. I'm coming. Nah. Or 10,000. Thank you. No.
Thank you.
All right. Okay.
Bye. Knock. Papa. Oh. Malita.
Hey, this man. You're just
I'm sorry. Please pardon my manner. Biko, pardon my manner. Please, I will explain.
go on. I'm listening.
I don't work out all over this village. It is no day easy for me to find. Anybody why I ask, please, you know where I go free buy aquatic synthetic frustration. What do you call them? They go say no. Anybody why I ask, you get one girl why I see for road. Even as I ask the girl, say, no, you know where I feel by this thing. The girl the chiro kwa ajote babu so ajo babu kwem babu onye jigre mu dojike. Ya onye on igbala ya ba sa chiraram ka ga so wa ajuju dele kam jiga hebe nere. No way why no ask. People just they do me yeah. You know, instead of me to die, we are one buy something where I don't know the name or waiting in be. Make I bring money come give you.
Hey, damn it. It is called the cancer metabolism aquatic. Say it.
The cancer
Metabolism
aquatic. What is should about him should weapon me weapon tea. I did not remove and I did not add. The way you take mention them, now so me I take explain to them.
It's okay. It's okay. How much is it?
10,000 naira.
What? 10,000 what? Decanter Metabolism Aquatic costs 15,000 naira currency. What am I supposed to do with this?
How am I supposed to know? Shit, now you wait the user know how much when they take buy the thing. Something one no. All I have now is a come and bojaga. Eh? I manage this one. I go complete and better. You know what?
So what?
I say manage this one. Take a or better still, if you get money, take complete buyer after.
Hey, damn it.
But
hey, don't smile too much. Make sure you complete this money in 2 days.
2 days is too far. Tomorrow morning, I got my wanaka with ready. I did not complete the money, or maybe I tried and tried. I was not able to meet up with the money tomorrow morning.
What? What did you just say? Hey! Dude, I give you 2 days to give me the money. What the heck? Jeez.
Thank you. I love it. Epola, are you going? Not even a kiss. More a hug. Come on now. If you they say already Kelonia kid in a power, I have a thought. What could for 10,000 give all my good thing? Music 1 million out of give the phone. My company appreciate me.
Hey, come close. Come close. Close.
Hey, kid, I'm doing 2 days. Or in 3 tomorrow morning. This week, I will never wash my face again. Hey, babe! Yeah, we have Bruno. I will get no to honor not on my that choy. Hey, babe! Get on chanta. I'm one on my own. I won't tap it. I will never wash my face this week. Listen, I'm a runner. Come on, go wash sugar. Wash, I'm in the move. I can never wash my face. I will carry it like this until I bring another money, because I know when money is involved, love will increase. No money, no love. 10,000, one kiss. But they say like 20,000. I'm going to work as Omia. Hey, baby!
Hey, bro. Hey, bro. What did I tell you? I told you that I am the original specialist and master of the game. He gave me 10,000 naira with a lot of play, which is called Mamputius phenomenon.
So that is the way you speak. I hear some, I don't hear some. But the only important thing I hear is the 10,000 naira. Tell me what.
Why, bro?
Tell me what is this money for?
Anyways, before you ask a cheap question, this is your vanguards, in other words, called your share.
My sister, that's
Hey, bro, listen carefully to me, okay? This money is not for you to mesmerize. Use this money, have a haircut of this bushy mendus, and please have a change of this death attire and stop eating junk. Thank you.
What is the way you go? 1,000 is enough.
Yeah.
The other one,
And please stop eating this junk. Thank you.
I'm ready the final one. Odo. What you tell him? We make him say, you should find this thing in this your entire village.
What did I tell him? It's very simple. I wanted water. But because he's an illiterate, I told him to buy me decanter metabolism aquatic.
Hey. Oh,
And he gave me 10,000 naira. Wow.
But for you, wait. You know, with this all your big grammar way they speak, one day you go use them kill somebody. And they will call us, hey, come and carry the cup so. And you know, brother Mbaka is about much other attendance. With this your super way they speak. They sound like ambulance.
Hey, stop touching me.
And you will be at the front and be shouting, wow.
Casey! I've warned you times without number to stop boring my soul.
Sorry, I will not borrow as well again. You have given me 2,000.
I won't warn you again.
Sorry.
Please shift.
My mind. Already shifted.
And close your latrine. Thank you.
I won't borrow as again. Until I'm muscle.
Don't touch me.
Sorry.
Don't get my skin.
Sorry, Felix.
Nonsense.
Sorry, Felix. Thank you for the 2,000 naira. Until I'm muscle. Brother Baka, go, so that you will buy my soul, and I will give you 1,000 naira.
What is it?
Why are you like this? Ojinaka, why are you like this? Why you do this to me? What did I do you? What I do? Ojinaka, what I do you?
Eh? I can't remember doing anything to you. Unless maybe you are drunk. Or maybe a rap or like it.
You will. It totally see you. I saw you with my 2 crocodile. When you are giving money to that mommy water, you are giving her money. The only girl I love. The only girl I have. You and I know that I don't have a girlfriend. The only one I get, you want to snatch it away from me. Wife snatcher.
Sekweo. So that because I give person money, you can't they cough like a cough koho. They follow me for back because I give person money. What is your problem, sir? Are you okay?
You know that girl is the only one I have. The only girlfriend I have. The only one I love. Someone I want to marry today, tomorrow, yesterday to come. You have a girlfriend. Why you want to distract the only one I have? Are you not greedy?
Me, have a girlfriend. So for your mind now, your sister.
Chinaza is your girlfriend.
Your sister, Chinaza Naza, be my girlfriend. So as I be now, prime man like me will be saying, if I come out for presidential policy, they will vote for me. I go come consident to so low to come be ogo to you. I just move well on your walk. Out of all the men in the world, if I become in-law to Rotas or Dangote, I'm Babri. Some Tosanganga walk there one day. You're useless.
Let me tell you something. You can come out.
Okay, forget that.
Okay, because you don't chop her front and back. You don't chop her up and down. You know, remember when they carry suya come our house every night? They come in the morning, every morning, I can bread. In the afternoon, you come with the papa. The other day, you give me orange. The other day, you come with the guava. Now you bring apple, come my house. Now it's no longer your girlfriend.
That is the reason I'm telling you. The thing we go make us to become in-law, when I don't chop and format. I will go to Joko, I will go see ya. Then you go prepare rara. Now the money why I supposed to do traditional wedding, and you have for papa.
Papa.
We don't want you to recover. I want pokering here nigga Hosranga.
You must marry her.
This is Anyanya. Okay, let's get out of my sight, Pico. Get out. See, let me tell you, you see Felicia, nothing will go stop me from marrying Felicia. Felicia is mine. She's going to be mine. In fact, from today I have sworn that.
Thank God. You have given me the key. I forgive you. You have given me the key. And I know her name. I don't even know her name. I don't do. If I see her now, her name is Felicia. Watch me. You watch me, she will be my woman. Let's bet. You meet us at the altar. Girl, I should for woman. You meet us there. Doctor, I didn't tell you. You be my best man. I'm a blank suit.
The only place I will meet you is in your grave. I will stand by your grave side. I say, Elonya, who was his friend? Nteliakil was Trajanta Yagdok Machi and Goria. And Yam Sovel, Jaka Kurio Teka, Ngeha, my brief illness. Trajo te we gragna lead, we will na Hogana altar. For your mind, me and you, they drag one woman. I want to become your ogre. You will get I go for that better thing. You know, be human being. You know, see people like your sister. Nem da drawn a yard, te drawn on that name was actually. Give your gorgon guy or game war. Me na baby my bro too. You want to force me to marry you? Marry your local sister. Why him? Isness Hogan not Hagahuje. So now because of that thing they chase me around. Alone when I get so tired to go from my heart to go for me for Monyoshi. I come to the Bama come number to say no I'm not going to be able to watch him. Umaji be go na mo be bo shi cha go for. Bet me. Me and you the drag woman. God punish your generation. Cases on Shala said. Nonsense. I no go blame you.
Hello, beautiful girls. Yeah, good day.
Sisters.
Yes. I beg, your sister. Okay, sorry. My name is Amadi. This is my friend.
Amobi.
Amadi Amobi. We are.
It's my colleague, you know. It's my brother.
Please, where is your sister? I've not seen her for a while.
It's okay. I understand what you want to say. My sister, she's fine. My sister. What do you want with my sister? If you want my sister, go and look for her where you saw her the last time that you saw her. Stop disturbing us. Have you want to carry my sister? Have you seen Watch a Man? Have you watched a woman?
I know why you're angry.
Look at me. Just ask a simple question.
But we're not the quarrel.
You know, normal. When you go to any family, you're supposed to respect the mother.
Okay.
Mama, we do respect, ma. There's no way.
Shake it, mother. Come on from my window.
I'm sorry, I'm not my sister. You know that in our family we complete 1 dozen. I'm not sorry.
They are learning kids to enjoy. They are nice. The ugly one. Hey, Nkocha! Hey, Aroso! Whatever you're going to go. Please, Nefo.
And this something I want to I
You know why that woman is angry? You know, it's not easy for you to see any woman that is above 52 years and still be happy. You understand? It's not her fault. Look at her at her age. She's Onye na Mary Magdalena Uhebri. At all. This person and the woman of the Pontius Pilate is not the same age. But you see how her life is. She's not telling us that this, that. She's not happy. She was taking. Let me tell you the truth. She was eyeing me, but I reject. I don't want to marry a woman.
I know. You know. You be fine boy now. Why you not go eye you? See, you know, say small thing. Just you're a day. You go reach now. This you enter menopause. I swear. A day you reach that woman. You enter menopause. You know even they have to say me and you. Especially, is it happening to you? Arrange one for me. Not say you sabi arrange one.
The thing where they them say that girl, that girl. The thing where they them say that girl. You see that fat one. As I'm seeing her, I for one and one or 2 years or young.
Abi.
And I'm not a cancer of the breathing. Cancer of the breathing. As a Yane Kume, Yane Kume, Yarkagane, a plantain. That where cancer of the plantagisis. Understand? And then I go here, and I went and quit. Yes, plantain, cancer of the plantagisis. In here, honor.
I'm considering on. You know, come almost all 2 years. Come, why not in my range? Kejiri grow go at least. lawyer. Onye ga 2 years, lawyer. You didn't happy with me.
Why you telling me this? Why you want to carry me go? Where would they go? Where are we heading to?
I want you to take me to that stupid girl's house. That girl that wants to take my boyfriend, I want to give her the lesson of her life. I will teach her that she will learn how to stay away from people's boyfriend because I want to deal with her. Let us go.
Wait. If maybe stay at their house since morning reach now, I for say, okay, it's only an SS. The girl I want to marry today, tomorrow, next year, even till I die, and I shall go marry. You want make I carry you, go, make you come use this, your iron hand. I carry here the block. I carry here the bush, no bush here. You go correct tika. Take your time, oh.
So, you're telling me that you also want the same girl?
It's not like I want the same girl. It's not like I want the same girl. I forget the girl.
Hey, but I thought you're doing all these things because I'm your sister.
No, be say I no fit do such thing as to you as my sister. The thing be say I no fit dey this village. Person go come from nowhere and snatch away your boyfriend from you. You know fit happen. Man no can na me ncha ba na.
Hey. Okay, I'm very, very sorry. It's just that I was very, very angry after thinking of everything.
Sorry.
But since you want that girl, I'll make sure you get her.
Hey! Oba ki ibulum toto. Oba ki lam ni.
She cannot hear my meliki.
Ya toto miki.
In this village, I will make sure you get her. She's all yours.
If you do this one for me, I will make sure Ojinaka marries you. If Ojinaka didn't marry you, I'll cut his head off and bring it for you. Till I die, I'm not going to forget her. If you do this one for me, I will go sell for her. I'm not going to go sell. I will go prison for you. I'm not going to go prison. I will go home for you. Where will go home? If I get them, trust me now. Trust me.
Hello.
Hey!
Go to school. That's an affair. That's an affair also. Go and wash plates.
Oh!
That's an affair. No, children like this are children. You know, I say babies out. Children.
You said what?
That is, children are away, babies equal.
Oh my jeez. What's the meaning of that?
What is the meaning of that is that babies, children away, babies equal. Yeah, the adults
Oh my. Okay.
Okay, so
yeah.
You know, I was I topia and topialize you. That is more. I said this person is he wants to, you know. So I said wait, by the way, what is my name is what is your name? I know.
Oh my jeez.
Okay, all your G's. Oh,
Hello. Like, are you singing or you're talking?
No. Anytime I am in the presence of a beautiful girl like you, I talk rap.
Oh, I see.
I talk rap.
Okay. By the way, what is your nomenclature?
I don't can come outside. I left it at home. I don't go out. Anytime I am going out, I don't go with my nomenclature. Because why? I don't want all these robbers, all this and that kind of. Before you know it, you're at home, handle my nomenclature.
Oh,
so I always leave my nomenclature in the house and go out.
Oh, please. Tell it to the hands, okay?
Okay.
Oh, this illiterate vagabonds in the village.
No, it's not me. Hold on, me.
That is what you are.
No.
I mean is, what is your name?
Oh, okay. Are we here? Is that why you are speaking big grammar? Just my name. Look at you. Well, my name is very simple. I am very, in fact, let me tell you my name. I am engineer, professor, doctor, herbalist, native doctor. Choku.
Wait, you said what?
My names are, in fact, let me tell you, my name is very simple.
Oh.
Engineer, professor, herbalist, native doctor, Wadibia,
Ogonoria, it's okay. In Abumaso.
Yeah?
Shiva lady in Abumaso.
In Abumaso.
Still in my organic skin.
Ogonya.
My cheese. My cheese.
No, you can't
What man is this?
Well, you say what the man is this?
Yeah.
Oh, I remember that song. What the man is Jesus. Hallelujah.
Oh.
What a man is. What a man is Jesus. Hallelujah. What a kind of what kind of man is oh, we're going to Sunday school.
It's okay. It's okay.
So
please.
Actually, the reason I stoppage you. There is stop and stoppage. And there is wage. So the reason I stoppage you is to tell you that I want us to be friends.
Ouch!
Oh, okay, you.
See, hello. Are you trying to insult me?
No.
Is that insult to my Maningabulu's personality?
Your hunger.
How dare you?
Your hunger.
You primitive, rigid, unconsequential fool. You want me, the civilized, sophisticated babe, to be your what? Your girlfriend?
I like that language. I love everything you said. I love it.
Why are you distressing me?
So how? I don't know if you are going to.
Hey, shift. In Abumaso.
Oh, thank you. Sorry.
In Abumaso.
Sorry.
Please.
You got the luck.
I saw my organic skin.
It's okay.
Oh shit! Oh my Jesus! Oh, you just touched me.
I didn't touch. I will take a cross.
Is that in water?
Oh, we'll take See, let me tell you. You see this hand that I use in shaking you? I will not bring it out again till town.
Oluchi, please bring the food before Odinaka will faint. Where are you going to now? See the chair there.
Some will correct the smell everywhere. I hope say when I have a correct me will able to take here. No. Why you go? Come enter inside here. Come and turn to me. Yeah, Mabruni Menga. Really, we're all going to
when I eat, you talk a lot.
Should you go? Hey. And then I said this.
You said what?
Why are you people cooking like this? Look at it. Look, so good doing shikori everywhere. Moringa.
Ojimnaka, who is that girl? You must tell me who that girl is. You don't want to tell me who that girl is. Who is she? What are you doing with that Felicia of a girl?
Yeah. Naza. What is it that made you not even greet me? Am I too small?
She asked you a question. Will you answer her?
Hey, don't even give me that. Don't give me that at all. You must tell me who that girl is, though. Tell me who she is.
Anyway, for your information, if you want to know who that girl is, Felicia na one kind epitome of beauty. God created her in a special way where we say, I never see any beautiful maiden in this community that looks like her. One, she speak good English. English I never hear before. Umururu English otoga wa so you te isha about gane. Osia. Another one be say she carry swag. She bath. The perfume where she dey put for body be like say make you take tongue go tenara yara. That is whom she is. You don't look at yourself. Iya bashangu aga hunte. Eh? I beg, don't just make me vex. Don't just make me vex now.
It's okay.
Nonsense. Come here, come there, shout on my head. Are you dragging me? You dey drag me for
Don't
clothes.
talk to a lady like this.
You dey drag me for cannot do anything. If I blow you. Cannot do anything. If I blow you.
Okay, man. She get up on this.
This I'll kill myself.
Don't kill yourself.
Right for him.
Village people, what is it? Come on, you cannot say so.
Wicked man. I've done everything for Jinaka. I gave him all my money. I gave him everything. My body, even my present, still looking pointing to the future. But soon as Jinaka, every time we punching the bread. Now he wants to leave me. He wants my bread to take me and settle down. Ojina, you lie!
Onwe bole kataraka. Amobi. Good evening. Do you remember me? No. I know say no remember me. No, you there with what did I call Amadi or Amadi the other day? Come to the house. Leave me. Now my fight. Leave me. Allow me to do with him. Shut up. And the talk. Hey, me? You? Today you're not finished. Because I want to get on one by one. I did that they say, leave her. No, now you're not a shit. I don't do anything. Because the boss like Mosito wants to blood. You don't know. Say what? Don't be that. They come there. That's the grace. Now, like this, I want to know one by one. If I get that money, if I get that Amadi on your own. He said, call me Oju. I'm a big boy, yeah. I want from there get your kidney. When you see Amadion, tell him say your kidney have been sucked away. Stop walking.
It's okay now.
Sister, tell me now. How am I be a good woman to Jinaka?
I know you have. You don't even know that you even gave your body. Oh, if you gave your body, Ojinaka is meant to understand. It's okay, I'll talk to you. That's the I want to take. I heard everything that happened. I heard how you beat Ojinaka blue black. You did very well. But don't worry, I'll talk to him.
Did you hear him? Ojinaka said he wants to leave me. Did you hear him?
He will not leave you. Forget that you rubbish talk.
I don't manage.
Ojinaka, you put yourself into trouble. You put yourself into trouble. Just a beautiful homely girl that came to you. Sacrifice everything. You just leave the girl. Ojinaka! Ojinaka!
Boy, come now. What's happened?
Who do? Boy, you fight?
I fight.
Who do you this thing? Oh?
And I want to call Ojuku. Come now, no go. See my body. You know, say me.
Why he beat you like this?
He no beat me. I be beat him. You know, say don't tell me I don't fight since 1963. When they fight Biafran war. No, Ojuku see me. I begin to tell me that thing when happened that time now. That's that time. You know they hear me. Ojuku tell me say no cash me. I tell Ojuku say I dey get single bone. No say if I blow up, you know go fit carry my
bros. Why you dey cry? I see as from far see you.
I dey hate to beat people. Ojuku make me I don't beat her. Tomorrow if I see her I go play I say I don't beat my senior brother. That make her. I dey beat Ojuku. In condition no good again now. What I dey find a money man will take care of. If you see one of the left teeth, it don't swell up. I remove all
I
the
don't
teeth.
know why my mind they tell me say you dey talk wrong. I don't know. You beat person they cry. The person way you beat.
I dey sympathize am now. No, if I cry now you cry. No wait, if I cry now you cry. Now you cry am. Leave me leave me make I cry. Leave me make I cry.
Sorry for beating him. Sorry. Don't cry. Sorry.
You know, no tell am say I talk say I don't beat am. I know I make village people. No say this village today gossip. Tomorrow now what you go to rain na I'm gonna be beat Ojuku. I'm gonna be beat Ojuku. I know I'm making here and just keep on by yourself. Yeah.
I for like go meet and one on one. I won't go try and say I mean send you go beat him.
No. If I see we no fight. Now 4 I fall from 3. We no just fight at all. Nothing happen. Wait, now for you. You want cause another conflict.
I won't thank you special. You know what will happen there. I go indirectly bring that guy out, make you beat him again. But no first, we say I dey doubt you. When you dey beat that person, you dey beat and they fall. How you beat person? Your body everywhere and sand. As in you beat and finish, you come push you inside sand. No clean. I'm the evidence of beating.
Person no fit tell you anything. You're constant. Leave me.
See back self. You beat person. Your back there like say they use a mop toilet. You beat person, your voice change, your head. I know say you know they see your back head say blood they come out. You beat Ojuku. This fight, you go beat am. I go bring you out. You bring her out to make you beat am for my front. No, Omo, I don't know what this guy talk. I fit put it there. That guy, my clothes go stand like this. Back and they go back.
I don't know. Wetin be that wey say you wan tell me wey no go fit wait till tomorrow? I'm very tired and want to sleep.
We must talk about it now. Because I know you and your tricky moves. We must talk about it now.
Me kwa. Tricky move. Mwa boji na kane mwe tricky move. Anyway, what is it? Talk and make I hear.
It's about Chinaza. Why is it that
So you still want to go around and talk about that girl again? Huh? After what she do to me? Who go there inside my shoe? Which man go there inside my shoe? See waiting back to your Chinaza or Chinaza or Chinajo do to me, and that person go still continue. No, which man in his rightful sense go see such and still continue? Biko, anything will concern that girl, delete them from your memory. Forget about it. It can never be mentioned. In fact, in this family, nothing like Chinaza. Here Ganaza Zuba, you like to do Chiazago. Chiazago ekbere. And where's the head the Chinaza? Biko. Let's talk of something else.
It is a woman that is protecting what it has.
Mom.
She loves you. That girl has done a whole lot for you. What do you want? What is it that Chinaza cannot give you? You must marry Chinaza. Is Chinaza or no one else?
Yeah. It will go on. Person will prepare the charm for you. Tell him say you no catch me. Say the person where they do am for him, but then I'm not all. I'm not all. I jog going him. You carry juju from out. It's either Chinaza or no other person. No, come force me. You know when you know they here. Cause see what Chinaza got do to me, and you still want me to continue. Somebody will be your husband to be. Give me call me krekushi. Pariamu memunta memimo. When you people supposed to back me, become my backbone. I kwarekwe sa kwapuye na Sahara Desert. Ebo belong. And you are here advising me to go back to her. I no go fit do am. I am even happy that you use that language. She used to. That I used to love her. Now, I am no longer using to love her. I'm no longer in love with her. She is now a used. Which man said go can't use something before? You go back, can't continue to use her. You know, they use. You know, now fairly used. So she is a used property. Are you getting my? You see the way I described her now? So take it like that or you leave her.
But I can see the spirit of stupidity has taken over you.
Mom.
You must marry that girl, oh. You must marry Chinaza. It's Chinaza or no one else. I've told you.
See.
I've told you.
Thank you, don't tell me. You see, let me advise you too. Wendushi. Why na alụ nwanyị? Enwote nwanyị ga-eshi nọgide ga na ahụ di. Ya alụrụ nwanyị lụgbute. Ọmụtawere ya nwa. The advice I will give to you, since Chinaza is your problem now, you cannot sit down and talk of your own. How you go take marry, come on for this compound? Or you put on your son, or Balubute, me lubed. Go and marry her and bring her in, make she come the bomb for you. When I come, you must marry her.
So you have left Chinaza's case now. It's not me that you're facing.
On your lap, you go on face soya, or make an eat lacra material. You lacra came you lacra. I like a swear and Ghana.
Don't worry.
Because you're supposed to be talking about fight for your own, look for a husband. By fire, by force, Chinaza shall fight now to marry. I have never seen any of you wake up and fight. Of course, you don't have any admirer. Not to talk of somebody who have suited you.
But you're talking to me like this because of Chinaza. God, please give me a very rich and wealthy man. Not the kind of brother that I have.
God should give you a wealthy man. If I were you, the prayer I will be making now is God, please, you be doing issue. But one young girl, one young boy, be doing a cook yanyegi. You need to go away during the period of marrying a wealthy person. You have passed that age that you get a wealthy man. You should be happy that you have me. Do you know how many people that are rushing me out there? You know, the guy that don't give you the kind of brother that you have, and you go wealthy man, okay, ladder. How wealthy are you? Wealthy men now don't go for poor people. They go for wealthy people. Wealthy, wealthy. Poorer, way to poorer. Then poorest, yeah, where do you belong from? Family. Poorest.
You belong to poorest. You belong to poorest.
You see, if you want to, I keep the lipstick. Get your onoga. Hey, you may not see it. I'm going to be a hand. They are going to be a man. Hey, Jabula. Cry on.
Oh my God.
Thank you. Yeah, what you got to give me? I'm over the nigga. Did you walk at your alone? Also, raise your volume.
What is it?
Is it true that you're planning on leaving my friend Naza after everything she has gone through for you?
Sorry. Is that what they sent you to say? Or here should be aqua? Radio without battery. Just look at your mouth. What has she done for me that nobody have done it before? Did Naza buy a car for me? Did Naza introduce me to an oil company that I'm receiving 10 million naira every month as salary? No, just give me one good thing that Naza has done for me, that everybody keep announcing it. We pray. Oh, maybe Naza died for me at the cross of Calvary, just as Christ died for us for our sin. Oh, Basaraka ya nobe. Naza Basaraka ya nobe. Oh, Naza Basaraka ya nobe. So jin nakangwage bata. Maburu. Yazapotam. What has Naza done for me?
See, let me tell you, you're lucky I'm not Naza. You're lucky I'm not Naza. If not, I would have.
Hey, you would have done what? No, just tell me, what would you have done? Eh? Ikwi. You would have done what? Thank God you're not Naza. Thank God you're not Naza. Give me what would you have done? No, beat me. And I thank God you can never be Naza. Even if you become Naza, I will not look your part. Just look at her brother Ojuku. Ojuku is also running after the same girl I am running after. That means he has seen something better. You have not even made peace for yourself. And you want me to turn over to Naza? Somebody will see a bright future like that. She will delay. You talk nonsense. Thank God you are not Naza. I will not blame you. You have got to stand and talk to me anyhow. Am I your mate?
See, you better go and make peace with Naza. You better go and make peace. If not, you not have peace in this village.
You get peace.
I said you not have peace in this village.
You get peace?
Everything the girl has gone through for you. You want to leave her. You're seeing yellow girl.
You get peace? You don't see the girl where me and him brother they chase. You never make peace for your own. You dey make peace for another person. You know, she say, where my eye dey, him brother eye dey there too. What have Naza done for me? Did Naza kill ram for me? When my father died, did Naza join their palms that palliate my father? Higi and Ibili, Mpama had to come. Did Naza join the Umunolo? People where be saying that them come dig grave. Here, Jimrando Munolo, and go la how good iliote. Ili come on your Mabruni Megadora. Did Naza dig grave for my father? Why would I go and apologize to Naza? Who is she? Naza went at the bath where we say fly, they follow her all over. Naza Gawaga for 10 years. Yes, she agree up by you. Yes, she take your group batch. Yes, she agree up by. I will go and beg Naza because she's the goddess of the river. May thunder fire that your stupid mouth when you take advice me. Make her go beg her. Nonsense. Come and force me. Make her go beg her because she be God. Stupid thing. I don't go blame you. I blame myself for standing to talk with you. I won't be. Sleeping face. It will regret and you open your mouth to talk nonsense. Somebody like me, that I am dreaming big. That your boyfriend will be Ojuku. Why is he dragging the same girl with me? Why? Did he see you? Not believe he leave you so. He no see better thing follow. Get happy about the sozo. Some gabeba na agwo. Dakwa gweriyeshi. Alo munadi kwego corner. Nonsense. I will not blame you. Nonsense. Come me again and talk nonsense. If I don't chop you like a lot, keep on my nose.
I know you said good evening and I did not respond. I know why you are here. Brother, good evening. What is good about the evening? That you're asking me money. I don't have money.
Oh, brother, be cool now. Be cool. I need to buy that.
See your brother. Meet him. Why is your face like this?
Brother, welcome. I'm just asking brother to give me the money. Let me go and buy the clothes.
Please, do you have... How much do you need?
It's just only 2,000.
Give him 2,000. You want to buy clothes. Ramadi, I've told you this thing before. All the money that I've been working, where have you been taking it to? You've been taking money from me. Today now they've taken the keke that I'm running on high purchase. Am I the cause of the in fact, am I the reason why they took the keke away from you? Am I the one that sent them to take the keke from you? Is it not because of your that's your carelessness? Hey, Ramadi, all the money that I've been giving to you. You still going to give? You're going to give me that money? Oh. Now take money from him. Now listen to me. Brother. Take money from him. Yes, brother. And let me still remind you. You see this house? This house belongs to me. As the first son of this house. If you don't want to help him, no problem. But for now, I don't want problem. Ramadi, you are going to be that money. Oh. All the money I've given to you, you are going to give me. I want to go and buy new keke. That is one thing. They're taking the one I have. See, take money from him. Oh. Let me just still add another thing to you. When my wife comes to this place, I will chase all of you out of this house. Ramadi, see, all this way you're just talking, I don't want to even know. Just come and give me my money. That one, all the money I'll be giving to you, you're going to bring it. See, collect money for him, oh. Ramadi, collect money for him, oh. Why would they collect the keke from you? Since you don't have respect.
Well, you chase me from this house.
No, your own. I will not chase you, I will pack you out. You see this one? What you have to do is just to go inside. Because I can see your comforter is no more here. You go in. Brother, I will chase you for this. I will not chase you out. I will bundle you. I'm a real Baba. Nobody taking a plantain more banana. Boop run on a St. Joseph Catholic Church. Idiot. Go inside.
Man, give me the money now. Brother, you have to give me that money. You have to give me that money.
No here. Your mates in Smilian, they are making money. Look at your brother. 97 keke in 1 year. Even if you are the ambassador of keke, even if now the person where they produce keke, if one keke habra, and you're here telling me, brother, give me money, This is why I decided not to be a rich man, because I don't want anybody to disturb me. Because I don't want anybody to be telling me, Uncle, give me 2 million. Uncle, give me 3 million. Uncle, I want to open a boutique. Uncle, I don't want it. I decided on my own. I've seen so many opportunities to be a big boy, to be a rich man. But because of this nonsense, I decided no. Say, no, I cannot be rich. I rather remain poor. I rather, yeah. Marry you here one day. I rather remain average. Nonsense. I go use my hand, cost myself one day because of these boys. I don't know who they hear. I don't know whether the god of wet they here. I rather remember. This one self don't even ride keke. They collect me. I don't even see. The catapult that they use self. Now from cat keys dash carry it and dash me. I won't go to that. I don't know whether I chop. My intestine and my kidney, they affect my liver. Now I go check if the carburetor of my stomach, if this is affecting the fan bed. Then check if the tripod of my neck.
Oh, I like your beard.
Okay.
Your phone is great.
Oh, my
I like your isim kwacha. This one Kodo, right?
Yeah, Kodo.
Malu Katanga.
Oh.
Malu.
Hey.
Oh, wow.
Kekrono Peninsula, this is the Camino.
Really?
I like the way they take stand. If you stand like this, you go remind me those days where we dey small, where we dey watch Snake Girl. Snake go come out from bush, that man go come out jam. You go dey sing Jamina, Jami Wago.
Oh, that's deep. I'm very interesting. Brother, good afternoon. Sister, hi. So you're saying about what Jamina what?
Marriage, she no marry. To go here, FMP. Morning clothes, they walk around. Stupid girl. Now you go greet brother good afternoon because you don't see me with younger person. God punish you, brother.
I like your phone. And it's on culture.
Hey, babe.
It's so much.
Come here.
Oh, this is called Malu Katanga.
How is your mom?
Malu Katanga, in other words, Bambantus Mulu.
Say it. What are you saying?
So.
Oh my jeez! Shit! Abuniyaso! Inabuayaso! What is this?
What are you here?
It was so.
So finish it!
So bitter.
Oh my jeez! And who are you? Abunayaso!
Who is this one?
Abunayaso, please! What
Who is
is
that?
that?
They're shining electric bulb.
Excuse me! So
I'm not gonna you pay any.
Oh my goodness!
Akuma! If you talk, if I hear him, I will give you the beating of your life. You will let us go.
Let me go.
Ajim! You will not leave me.
Enter.
In this village.
Hey!
I will so much frustrate you.
Hey!
I will frustrate you to the point that you can never look at another woman. In this relationship.
What didn't just happen now?
In this relationship, you die here.
What didn't just happen now?
Chaser.
So Ojukwu took my woman away.
Yes.
Ojukwu, you carry my woman come out.
Now today we confirm saying I need your Ojukwu. Hey, come. Calm down.
Easy, you're hurting me.
I'm not hurting you. Keep going. Who is here?
Ogoji.
I'm a member. How are you? How is your family?
Everybody.
And your children then?
Father.
Bring us some ale. Come now. Bring your best table. The most best table here. And I like the way you're cleaning it with your clothes. Come and sit down.
Here is too local. Here not too local.
Yeah, it's too local. I won't compose the nigga like it. You know, not before come say you go like this place. If you don't like it, if you like it. Give me this in Heineken. Heineken. What are you going to take?
Oh, stop touching me.
Waiting I go bring. I have gold, a star, everything.
Okay, I can manage more.
Bring more for her. Then you give me Heineken. It's my brand.
Shift a little. Nabumasu.
Ogoji. Don't worry.
Get me strepsicles. Strepsicles.
So chase it up.
In other words, called straw.
Okay.
Straw can bubble come back.
Ouch! Gosh! Oh my gosh! What the heck? What did you just do?
Open it!
Listen, I saw! God! Shit! You don't do that, it's local, man. What the heck? Please get me like a serviette. I need to clean it up. Serviette, please, serviette. Oh my God! Get me water. I need to wash it. Water. Oh my God!
What
a local man. Inabumasu.
See,
Easy.
let me tell you.
Easy.
Have you seen it now? It's not that good. You know, they could say any person where you meet in life, you go treat them bad. That time why I meet you, why I come they toast you, come they tell you one or two, maybe you become my friend, maybe become my woman, maybe they do one or two. You come they tell me, they speak big grammar, I don't even hear one thing now. I can't even.
Easy, Nabumasu. Anyways, I'm so sorry for what happened back there, you know. I'm sorry.
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah.
That you're sorry, no enter way. No enter way. Because
thank you. You don't hold it like that.
if you are not my Like
this.
Ordinary water, come on, and say, water.
Oh my goodness. Please don't try that again, okay?
You need opener?
Yes, thank you. Okay. You open it.
How is it gonna be? Him Janny, my baby, him, don't fool. You must have would you go on was it? My baby, him now.
Can you shoot a late to Inabumasu? Inabumasu,
See,
thank you.
In life, make you not take this word like saying on your own. Any person where you see in life, try treat and well. Because you don't know where you go see that person tomorrow. Because that time why they stop you, I want you to be my friend, I want you to be my girlfriend, I want to marry you. You don't even give me time. Those time when they speak big grammar for me. If they tell you say one day I go save your life, you believe them.
Damn it. Damn it!
Dennis,
I told you I'm sorry. What else do you want? Damn
no,
it, please.
Say, don't just tell me you're sorry like that.
Play to the hands, okay?
Don't just tell me you're sorry like that. All these things I'm seeing now, will I just eat it only my eye?
Excuse me, what else?
I will see good job.
What else?
We'll go home.
Go home.
Are you going to sleep here? Nyam na chonu ukelo ibazili nukala. How? Chimo. Mi unko. Lodi sha mi unko go drip. True to God, I go jing.
What was that?
I go jing.
Excuse me.
Happy excuse.
Are you talking to me?
E wo ko mo ngam.
Tell it to the hands.
Manye ngo ba ofufu ya fola tu.
You know what it's called? Mambulus Kanduka.
Mambulus Kanduka. Ida ngam yo te.
Oh my God.
Odi man nga ngam mo ofufu ma wala bele mo nye wetre.
Wait. No. You don't touch me.
Oh, sorry, I forgot.
Inabumasu.
Oh,
okay.
Good. Sorry.
Inabumasu.
All right.
Yeah.
Inabumasu.
Yeah.
And the other one you said, my hairstyle is
Shaba. You know, back there in Kuala Lumpur, cute guys like you, they barb Shaba. Yes. And when you see them walking majestically, you walk up to a lady like this. Hey babe, what is your name? My nomenclature is Chidi.
My nomenclature is Chidi.
And the lady will say, oh, hi handsome. My name is whatever.
Oh, I like this one.
There's some words like Ubundulus Bangadalas.
Ubundulus Bangadalas.
Meaning I am coming after you.
You know this kind of thing.